General visa information applications cannot be made more than 2 months before the date of departure. The embassy advises applicants not to purchase any travel fares in circumstances when a delay or refusal of a visa may result in a financial loss. Please note, Croatian visa application is appointment-based. The application will be submitted based on the appointment dates available at embassy/application center. There is no urgent process for taking appointment, hence the applicant may expect delay in some cases. Croatia Visa from Bangladesh. Applicants from Bangladesh who wish to travel to the Republic of Croatia have to apply at the Embassy of the Republic of Croatia in New Delhi, as there is no Croatian embassy in Dhaka. Basic requirements. The applicants are requested to read the basic requirements carefully and conform to the same while submitting the application. The applicant may, however, be asked to provide additional documents, if required, by the embassy. 1. Application form, 2 copy. To be filled out, in block letters, in English or Croatian language and signed by the applicant, field number 37 and last field, or a parent or legal guardian on behalf of minors. To download visa application form, you can also fill up the application form online, take printout and duly submit with all other documents. 2. Passport. Issued within the last 10 years, with expiry date exceeding the expiry date of the requested visa by a minimum of 3 months, and containing at least 2 empty pages, back-to-back. No alteration or handwritten amendment concerning the data page. 3. Color photocopies. A full passport, for all old and recent. 4. Face photograph. Recent, in color, 35 x 45 mm. The person is to be captured with neutral facial expression, with his/her eyes open and mouth closed. The photograph of a person who for religious or medical reasons is wearing a head cover must show the person's cheeks, chin and forehead. 5. Cover letter. Covering letter from applicant on company's letterhead stating name, designation, passport number, purpose and outlining who will be responsible for the full costs of the trip, travel, accommodation, expenses, etc. The letter should be duly signed by the applicant and addressed to the Visa Officer, Embassy of Croatia, New Delhi. 6. Insured accommodation for the stay in Croatia. Hotel booking, private or other accommodation, real estate title deed or lease, proof of ownership or lease of a boat, etc., guaranteed and confirmed on applicant's name with complete address, contact person and phone number in Croatia. Accommodation can be provided by the guarantor if so indicated in the letter of guarantee. 7. Transportation. Return travel ticket or confirmed booking for air/surface/sea transport. 8. Travel health insurance. To cover the possible expenses related to repatriation for health reasons, urgent medical assistance and/or urgent hospitalization for single/double entry visa, covering the entire period of stay in Croatia. For multiple entry visa, covering the period of first stay in Croatia along with a filled out statement for subsequent visits. B. The lowest sum insured must be equivalent of €30,000. C. The list of approved travel insurance companies for India is attached. 9. Minimum funds. To cover estimated stay in the Republic of Croatia are €70 per day, to support oneself during the stay in Croatia and to return to the state of residence or to travel to a third state. B. €30 per day, for an applicant holding business/private visit guarantee letter from Croatia or proof of fully paid hotel booking or a similar document. Supporting documents as proof of sufficient fund. A 3 months bank statement, saving and current AC, as applicable, in original, duly signed and stamped by authorized official of the respective bank, and B. 3 years income tax returns, personal and company, as applicable, and C. Copy of international credit card with 3 months credit card statement. D. Endorsement on passport/receipt of purchase of foreign exchange, if required. 10. Proof of current social and professional status in native country. A. For service. A forwarding letter issued by the employer on company's official letterhead establishing position of the employee in the company, years in service and grant of leave. B. For business/self-employed. Visa request letter on official letterhead with company registration papers. C. For student. A letter from school/university for grant of leave and copy of the valid ID. 11. Self-addressed mail. Prepaid and self-addressed registered delivery envelope if the applicant desires the passport to be returned by post. 12. Letter of invitation. The original copy of a letter of invitation signed by a Croatian citizen, or a foreign citizen with an approved residence in Croatia, verified by a public notary in Croatia. The letter should be addressed to the visa officer, Embassy of the Republic of Croatia in India. 13. Authorization letter. For submission and collection of passport. 14. For minors and persons deprived of legal capacity. Visa application shall be submitted by a parent/legal guardians, including a. Birth certificate of the minor, if the parents are the legal guardians, or b. The decision of the competent body designating the legal guardian. If a minor is traveling without a parent/legal guardian, he must carry a notarized consent of a parent/legal guardians that shall contain personal information of the parent/legal guardian and the purpose, the period and length of stay in Croatia, the period for which the consent is issued, and the signature of the parent/legal guardian. 15. Copy of all relevant pages of current and old passports. With copies of all previous, valid and expired, visas and used pages of current and old passports. 16. Proof of the purpose of stay in Croatia.